Welcome to Monkey Privacy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain to you how to use ProtonVPN. ProtonVPN is perhaps the best free VPN you can get, and you will agree that this claim stems from the unlimited bandwidth you get when you make an account. Some free VPNs also won't limit your bandwidth, but having in mind that ProtonVPN actually offers great security features and a zero logging policy, this changes the game drastically for other free VPNs. While not a perfect VPN by any means, ProtonVPN at least offers easy-to-use applications for all major platforms. And speaking of that, you will today learn how to use ProtonVPN on every supported device, but I will use my Windows PC for demonstration. Before I do that, however, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. Now, let's get back to the video. What you see on the screen is ProtonVPN's application, and if it looks simple to you, that's because it is. To connect to a server of your choice, you will need to look at the server list where only 3 server locations are offered. Then, place your mouse arrow on the country you want, click once on the connection button, and ProtonVPN will establish a connection to the VPN server in this country. To disconnect, click here and you will stop the connection. Clicking on the button right here, you can enable or disable a kill switch, just in case you don't want to accidentally leak your IP address to the public eye if the VPN connection stops for whatever reason. To open the settings menu, click here and choose settings. Inside this menu, you can choose how the application will behave and set different connection options. The most interesting features are located in the Advanced tab. Here, ProtonVPN lets you change your network driver, enable or disable IPv6 and DNS leak protection, but also allow alternative routing and use split tunneling for excluding certain websites and apps from using a VPN. In the Connection tab, you can also change the default protocol from OpenVPN and WireGuard, just in case you want to prioritize better performance for browsing and downloading. And this is basically everything to know on how to use ProtonVPN. You can see that it's very easy, and using ProtonVPN will now be a pleasure and not a chore. Unless, of course, you're fine with slow speeds that the VPN has, but also the fact that it won't work with Netflix and offers just 3 server locations that include the Netherlands, USA and Japan. However, if you're not settling for that, you can instead try ExpressVPN. Since you now know how to use ProtonVPN, you will know exactly how to use ExpressVPN as well, given that it offers easy-to-use applications for all platforms. Unlike ProtonVPN, however, it gives you the fastest speeds on the market and offers 3,000 servers in 160 server locations worldwide. On top of that, it will unblock Netflix and other streaming platforms outside of their respective countries. We also need to mention that ProtonVPN doesn't have 24/7 live chat support like ExpressVPN does, and isn't capable of torrenting in its free version, where, once again, ExpressVPN stays P2P friendly on every server. Even though it's not free, ExpressVPN lets you claim a special 49% discount and 3 months free for its annual plan, on top of which you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee, which lets you get a full refund in case you don't like it or you simply don't need it anymore. Since free VPNs are quite inferior to premium VPNs like ExpressVPN, as you just learned, you can upgrade your existing VPN with this deal on ExpressVPN by using this link, monkeyprivacy.com/exp, or as always, you can just click on the link in the description box below the video to claim this deal on ExpressVPN. So there you have it. I hope that your question related to how to use ProtonVPN is now answered properly. There's nothing special to know or be aware of before using it. If you're okay with the downsides of ProtonVPN I mentioned, that's great. But I also suggest at least trying out ExpressVPN to compare it with ProtonVPN, and you will see that it's miles ahead of its free counterpart. With that said, this was all for today's video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to our channel and stay with us because many more useful videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye.